Hi foodies, welcome back to MellowBites, and today we are unboxing the Kai Premium Knife Set featuring a range of versatile knives plus a bonus knife sharpener. Let's dive in and see why this set is a game changer for our kitchen. Let's take all the knives out, which are impeccably designed very well. The blades are crafted for precision. When it comes to sharpness, Kai brings the best of both worlds by combining traditional Japanese techniques with modern carbon steel. The result has super sharp blades that are rust-proof and have an excellent edge retention. Let's unpack the knife one by one. First comes the Nakiri knife. This is for cutting vegetables. It's very light and easy to handle. It's having a double-edged type blade and the blade length is almost 6.70 inches. Next up, we are having this serrated knife. The best feature of these knives is its ergonomic handle. The blade of this knife is really sharp. This is designed in such a way that even the trickiest vegetables are a breeze to handle. And next up, we are having this Santoku, a very small knife. The blade length is almost 5.70 inches and it is used for cutting vegetables efficiently. The unique angle between the blade and handle allows you to cut from top to tip in one smooth, effortless motion. And finally, here we go, we have this utility small knife. The blades of it is designed such that we can just peel and work on the vegetables. Look at this, it has a crimpy edge so that we can peel and work on the vegetables. That's nice. And this blade length is just 4.72 inches. Not only that, let's talk about the bonus. This professional grade knife sharpener that's favored by chefs. It's simple to use. Just pull the knife through the slots a few times and you've got a razor sharp blade ready to go. It's magnetic, making it super convenient to store on your fridge doors for easy access. And not only that, now let's unbox the Kai Stainless Steel Select 100 Type 1 Peeler, a sleek and efficient tool that's designed to make peeling effortless as well. This peeler is made from high quality stainless steel, ensuring durability and a rust-resistant finish. Its minimalist design not only looks great but also feels incredibly sturdy in your hand. The sharp precision blades allow you to peel fruits and vegetables smoothly without clogging or tearing the skin. Perfect for everything from potatoes to delicate fruits like tomatoes. The stainless steel construction and the designed handle makes this a must-have for your kitchen. This is simple, durable and effective. And that's it, the unboxing of all Kai kitchen products we have bought. We'll leave the link in the description below. If you're chopping, slicing or dicing, the handle's ergonomic design makes it easy to maneuver, giving you full control for precision cuts every time. So each knife in the set is designed for accuracy, and these products are really going to make our kitchen work so easy. And meet you in another video. Until then, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye.